Join me in solving Wordle 836. I'm still living with anise, which has been my new word ever since irate got it on the first try. Incidentally, did you know that aniseed is commonly used as a flavoring, as a substitute for licorice? A lot of licorice candies are actually aniseed. Now that's a tricky one because that IE pattern, that's a really common one. So there's like a lot of things that could fit in there. It could end with like ICE, ice, but it could also be like IKE or ILE or IZE. Not to mention the things that could fit in front. I think flick covers a pretty good number of those possibilities. I really want something to kind of narrow it down because I feel like this is the kind of thing that could get out of hand really quick when you've got a common pattern like that if you're restricting your guesses. Okay, so we've got an L, but it's not the second letter. It's probably not the first. So most likely we're looking with something that ends with ILE. Like my top three picks for that are probably exile, guile, and while. I feel like those three are kind of the top ones. I think way is a good way to narrow it down. Because we've got elements from both while and guile at least. But while, guile, and you got the E from exile. So we've got something that touches on all the things that I think are like the most likely solutions. And of course, if it turns up nothing, then we need to look for something more obscure or something that I might have overlooked. Well, it's got to be then while, right? Nice. 4 guesses, not too bad. I always like to get 3 or less, but 4, I'll take it. That's a good, well-played Wordle. And that makes 619 consecutive days of solving the Wordle.